video we set this car on the fire and now we put Esc Electronics.
Hi guys, welcome back to Heat RC. So in the last video we set this car on fire. If you haven't seen that video already, go back and check it out and then come back and watch this one. So we've thrown Esc Electronics into it. This thing should now be a beast. We're going to run it first on 6S, give it a bash around, and then we're going to speed test it. And then we're going to do the same thing again. We're going to run it on 8S, and then we're going to bash it and we're going to speed test it. So basically we have taken the electronics straight out of a Kraton 5th scale. So we've got 160 amp Spectrum ESC, we've got the 1250 kV Spectrum motor. We're running now a 16 tooth bashing pinion, which is so what I'm thinking is we should have way more torque, way more bottom end grunt, and maybe a slightly lower top speed on 6S because we're running just the bashing pinion. So we're going to bash it on 6S, then we're going to speed test it, then we're going to bash it on 8S, and we're going to speed test it again. And I'm wondering where those speeds are going to come in compared to the standard 6S on a bashing pinion. Well, it's pretty tail happy. It doesn't seem particularly quick. Definitely burning some rubber there. Oh my god, check out that rubber. Okay guys, so we're running at 45 on the ESC, 46, motor 47, which in American 116, 117 on the motor with no fan, and 105 on the ESC, so it's super cool. Ground temperature 109, so we're basically ambient temperature on the ESC and 10 degrees above ambient temperature on the motor. And the motor is ice cold. Wow. Okay guys, now we're going to speed test it. Okay guys, so GPS is catching. Take it for a little blast. Geared down, it's pretty slow. Okay guys, so that is 71 kilometers an hour max speed on 6S.
Okay guys, we ran on the 6S, now we're gonna run on 8S. Let's try it.
So let's see guys what this is going to be like now. Now we're on 8S. Oh. I have to say, this surface is like glass. It's hard to get any speed up without putting the gyro on. With the gyro you can get like an infinity drift. There really is not a lot of traction here, it's like slow motion. Let's try it on the road. Okay guys, so we're going to do track, start, oh! 57 miles an hour again, guys. Extra brakes. Front splitter is done. Okay, that is as much as you can get into it. Splitter is done. Splitter is done. So guys, that is it. It's 59 mile an hour, top end. 57, 59 is what we're getting out of it on a test on the bashing pinion. Oh, splitter is done. I pulled the front splitter off, we've hurt it, it's already damaged, so you saw there guys, we just did a few passes, full into the trigger. Temperatures now 88 Fahrenheit, what? 30 degrees centigrade, 28, not possible, right? Motor 66 degrees centigrade, 150. I can't believe that. ESC has got no heat in it whatsoever. 82. So speeds on 8S, same obviously with the same pinion size, you're not getting any different, you're getting 59 miles per hour, but the temperatures 80 Fahrenheit. The ground is 70 Fahrenheit. The ESC 88 I'm getting. Where else can I get it? 88, 70, 82. Super cool.